instant back pain relief, 5 proven techniques that you need to try now. I'm going to walk you through the 5 best techniques to get pain relief in your back immediately. My name is Dr. Jeremy Andrews. I'm a doctor of chiropractic here at West Chiropractic in Surrey, and we help people with back and knee pain avoid a lifetime of painkillers and risky surgery. So let's get into it. How do we get rid of your back pain? Okay, so you want to get yourself on a door frame like this, and you want to be able to cross your arms over. So if you see I'm holding the door like this, one arm goes here, one arm goes here, and I'm going to keep my back nice and upright, bringing my shoulder blades back. I'm going to try and walk my feet in like this, and I'm going to be just leaning back like this, keeping my back flat. I'm not rounding my shoulders like this, keeping the back flat, walking the feet in. I'm trying to sit back like this, really trying to take the pressure off the base of my spine, and allowing that body to sink down like this. It's going to help to take some pressure into my glutes and my hamstrings. You'll feel that stretch there. You want to hold this for around 30 seconds, and then we can come back up like this, and then we can try again. You can go a little bit lower down. We can walk the feet a little bit further like this, and really try and sit back down like this, taking pressure off the base there, getting some stretch into the lower glutes, keeping those legs straight. And then we can walk back up like this, leaning like that, keeping the hands on the hips, nose touching, and then just gently pushing into the door frame, but leaning back, getting some extension in your back. That's going to help to relieve some pressure. And then come back. Don't go too far if you're having pain. And then very gently coming back like this as well. Okay, just 5 repetitions of those. And then number 2, whilst you're here, is the hang stretch. So you may have seen a previous video where we're doing this. It's grabbing onto the top like that, letting your body sink through and just resting through here. Trying to take as much pressure onto the shoulders, off your base of your feet, and that's going to help to decompress the base of the spine, get a lot of room between this area, and let the body just hang, and the weight of your legs and your feet stretch the back out and decompress. So anything holding this from like 20 to 30 seconds, a lot of people get a lot of relief from this and be very, very comfortable. Okay, and I love a foam roller like this. This is number 3. So in the base of your spine like this, okay? Let the body come up like so. And then what you want to do is keeping the hands just on the side like this. You can then take some pressure onto the elbows. I roll from side to side and then I roll up and down. So you're going onto the muscles, not onto the bones. And what this is going to do is take a lot of pressure off your QL muscles and your erector spinae. The other side, moving across like this, making sure my legs go with me so I'm not twisting my spine. And again, just working through those tight muscles, anything from 15 to 30 seconds, as much as you can bear. I've got quite a tight back today, so that right side is a little sore. And then just letting the body roll through. You can also just try and increase the stretch by pushing down a bit, getting some more extension. That may be too sore, so then just come back up and then just roll from side to side like this. Up and down, taking pressure off those tight muscles. From the front here, you can see arms by the side, and just rolling to the side, up and down, small movements, rolling to the side, up and down, very small movements through here, taking pressure off the base of the spine. Okay? So number 4 is going to be a rolled up towel. So grab a bath towel like this, you want to roll this up so it's relatively big, and all you're going to do is you're going to put this in your back. So right in the small of the back like this, you're going to gently keep the knees bent, let the back roll back like this, keeping the knees bent like that. Have the head supported and just let the towel push into your back. Let the body sink down, so relax your abdomen, relax your hips. Take a nice deep breath in and all the way out. And just let the hips sink down. Try and get some extension through your back, so you're really trying to just let that bum sink right back onto the bed. Take as much pressure off your body. And when you come back up, just roll off to the side like this and then push up very slowly like that. Don't leverage yourself back up like that. That can cause some problems through the lower back. Okay, and number 5. So if you've got a tennis ball at home, that's a great thing to use. I have this little massage ball head here, okay? So it's pretty hard. I'm going to use this in the small of my back. So it's very important you get this in the right place. Don't put this on the bone. You want it to be in the muscles either side of your spine. So if you see here, this muscle here, going from the bottom of my ribs all the way down to the top of my pelvis, and the same on both sides. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so got it on the floor. Just going to try and sink back. You should be able to see the ball there. Okay, and I'm just going to let my body roll over like this, get it right in that muscle. And I'm trying to put some weight through it. I'm pushing down onto the ball. So you see my back is arched, and I push down, back is arched, push down like this. Really trying to get some movement through that spine. right into the muscles, not onto the bony bit. I'm just moving around, moving the hips, and then really trying to push my back into the floor, especially when you find a tight spot. Try and hold that for 10 seconds, and then relax up. Remember, again, roll off to the side, nice and easy. Okay, so there you have it. Those are my top 5 instant ways you can start to release back pain now. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for our regular updates. And you can grab copies of my best-selling books here, The Secret Cure to Back Pain, How to Avoid a Lifetime of Painkillers and Surgery, and Transform Your Back. We'll see you next time.